the great history. According to our geography, Manila is the capital city. Darling went from the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Zapote, Malabon, Las Piñas, Paranaque. From the north, Batanes, Sapari, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan, Bali, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna, Maguay, Cavite. Now let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines, Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon, and we had 3 islands more: Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, and down to Science, Fibonacci's yogurt, coconut and corn. Cebu, Mactan, Mandawi, Bohol, Samar, Leyte, Iloilo, Campes, Aklan, Antequi, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Siquijor, Dumaguete. Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao, Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Mambaho, Butuan, Agusan, Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Osamis, and the 3 provinces of Davao, Davao, Oriental, Mindoro, Cotabato, Lanao, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi. Philippines has a great history. Manila is the capital city. All tourists are invited to see Panawin to our geography. Philippines is a beautiful country.